Hey everyone, it's Carla here, and today I'm here to tell you about how to drag and drop assignments in Classroom in order to organize them in the way that you want them to be. So the first step is to go to Classroom, log in, and find one of your classes that you'd like to do this with. The next step is to go up here to the Classwork tab where you have all of your assignments. You can either create a new assignment or reorder the assignments you already have. But how you do this is pretty simple. So first thing is click on the assignment that you'd like to move, left click, and then drag, and notice how it goes wherever you want, which is so awesome. Because before, what you would have to do is click these little dots and then click move up, move down, kind of a pain. The other cool thing about this is you can click on the topic and also move the entire topic anywhere you want on the page. So it's a pretty great feature that Google has added recently. All right, thanks.